I think I'm live. Hello, everyone. My name is Danielle, and I'm with Diffuser Doc. I can't take credit for being the doctor of diffusers, that's for sure. That's my husband, Eric. He does all the research, is the mastermind behind all this diffusing repair. But I can do a live video and real quickly show you how quickly and how easy it is to repair your DewDrop diffuser. So. A little background, it all started a few years ago. I was tossing a diffuser, it was just cleaning out and I just needed it to go. It wasn't diffusing anymore. What I started to experience was a low output of mist, and then all of a sudden it just stopped misting completely. So I didn't know what to do. I was kind of bummed out. It was the only diffuser I had at the time, and this was like ancient years ago, like golly, I must say the first diffuser ever that Young Living came out with back in like maybe 15 years ago. So it was that diffuser that I had that stopped working. And so we had to toss, so I was going to toss it, and he got out of the trash, and a year later he surprised me with it working after doing a lot of research. So that was that diffuser. And then the home diffuser came out, no, not even the home, the tulip with the green top came out, and then the home came out. And then he was repairing diffusers for a daycare provider, and that was kind of cool. And then from there, we're like, hold on, we have to share this with people. This is good stuff. I mean, we can't have these diffusers in the landfill. So, like I said, I'm not the mastermind behind diffuser repair, but I can quickly show you how to do the DewDrop here. So, with the DewDrop, it's one of the easiest repairs there are. Basically, you'll see the ultrasonic disc right here, and that's what we're going to repair. It takes seconds. Basically, at diffuserdoc.com, you could get yourself a disc. And the disc, I think, for the DewDrop, I believe, is $11.99. And it will come with this disc tool right here. And from there, you will just quickly, I'll show you how quickly it's done. The reason why you might want to repair your disc is that you get low output of mist. It'll just stop diffusing after time. So I'll just stick there's two little ridges there. Move it to the left. And it'll pop right out. So then put the old one aside. You get the new one, the white top's on top, and first you're going to want to go in with your hand real quick and just kind of set it on there and twist, and then you can use the disc tool to get it going. So like that, it's already on there. So now I'll just take the disc tool and tighten it, not too tight, but tight enough to have a seal. There we go. So that's on there. So that's already been replaced. Then you want to put your water in it and plug it in and be off diffusing again. But yeah, so it's just that easy. So when you start to experience low output of mist, over time they just kind of wear out. The best I describe is like a light bulb. Eric, he can give you like more detail, like why it happens and all that stuff behind it. But for me, I just want my diffusers working back to new again. So that was the DewDrop, and to tell you the honest God truth, this is kind of funny. I never had to repair any of the diffusers before, so I'm just getting into doing the repairs myself. It's always been Eric repairing them for his research and everything, so I've never had my hands on a diffuser repair, so I'm kind of excited to do it. So there we go. I'm diffusing again. It was that easy. So the DewDrop's really, really easy to repair because it's just on the top, like I just showed you. There's nothing to disassemble. I think the Aria is that way, and so is the Desert Mist that easy. So they're all that easy. They all do take different discs though, so you want to make sure you go online and get the proper disc that we have for each diffuser, because they're all different. They all vibrate at different frequencies. So don't toss your diffusers, and I'm starting to make sure I got everything ready for the fall because my kids are already sick. We went camping last weekend and we're already home sneezing and coughing. So I will be diffusing. So, well, thank you for letting me show you how to repair this. It was, like I said, my first time going live and doing this, building up the confidence because, like I said, it's Eric's thing. But I'm happy to share. So happy diffusing. Bye.